Okay, guys, let's get started. So what I did was wash my hands, of course. I hand sanitized my hand, and now I just applied my gloves, as you guys can see. And now I'm just adding my Versagel into my clean bowl, and then I'm adding my oils. This video is literally so short. I didn't like show you guys the oils and stuff like that, but I did make a video of all the things you need to make lip gloss. So if you go on that video and go in the description box, you will see everything that I use on this video. Everything, you guys, I linked them for you guys, so you just can go on that video. I will link it on the eye. Make sure you guys check that video out and click the link to purchase the items. So yeah, I am just mixing my Versagel with my oils. After mixing for so long, I was literally mixing for like 10 minutes straight. Like, I stopped the video and I was literally just mixing. And then I added my coloring. This color, I wanted to add more, but I didn't add more. I don't know why I didn't add more. When I realized like I was done with it, that's when I was like, I told myself I should have add more like color. However, it turned out great. Like, literally, I'm not lying to you guys, my lip gloss turned out bomb. The only thing that I would really need to work on is like shyness. I love the consistency. It's not too thick, it's not too thin. It's the perfect consistency. Consistency, which I love. I hope you guys like it too. Make sure you guys go ahead on my website. Well, on the 15th, I will be doing some new lip glosses and I'll be selling them. So make sure you guys go ahead on my website and go purchase some lip gloss. But I love everything about my lip gloss. The only thing that I do not like, which is the shyness. The consistency is amazing, the smell is amazing, the oils I use are amazing. Make sure you guys check out the description box for the link to my website and support a real girl. And yeah, you guys, I hope you guys love this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye now.